What if I told you AI could one day outsmart humans and take over? Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unimaginable speed, but is it helping us? Or is it slowly becoming our greatest threat? Before we dive in, do you trust AI? Type yes or no in the comments. Let's explore the dark side of AI and why experts are warning us before it's too late. First, let's define what AI really is. Artificial intelligence refers to systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. But with great power comes great responsibility. And unfortunately, AI doesn't always work in our favor. What's the first thing you think of when you hear artificial intelligence? Let me know in the comments. One of the biggest concerns? AI is replacing millions of jobs, from factories to customer service. Even Hollywood actors are fighting against AI-generated content. This raises a huge question. If AI can do your job faster and cheaper, why would companies keep hiring humans? Do you think your job could be replaced by AI? Drop a fearful face emoji if you're worried. Next, let's talk about privacy. That AI systems need massive amounts of data to function. Your data, your searches, your messages, even your face. Ever wondered how Instagram knows exactly what you want to buy? AI is constantly learning about you, sometimes without your consent. Are you comfortable with AI collecting your data? Type yes or no below. But AI isn't just collecting data. It's manipulating reality. With deepfakes, AI can create completely fake videos of politicians, celebrities, even you. This means we might never know what's real or fake online. AI can spread misinformation, influence elections, and destroy reputations in seconds. Have you ever seen a deepfake that fooled you? Let's discuss in the comments. Now, let's discuss the scariest part, AI-powered weapons. Militaries worldwide are already using AI drones, autonomous tanks, and robotic soldiers. Imagine a world where AI decides who lives and who dies without human intervention. Who takes responsibility when AI makes a mistake? Would you feel safe in a world where AI controls a battlefield? Comment below. Now, here's where things get truly terrifying. Some scientists believe that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence. This is called the singularity. That if AI becomes smarter than us, will it still need us? Or will decide that humans are obsolete? Do you think AI could ever surpass human intelligence? Let's debate in the comments. So is AI a tool for progress or a ticking time bomb? The future of AI is still in our hands. But for how long? What do you think? Comment below and let's talk about it. If this video opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into science and technology. Share this video with your friends. They need to know.